What a wonderful Friday at Knappelskär's beach, or how should I say, this beautiful place in Nynäshamn that's located very close to the famous sea cave that I visited earlier today. But I wanted to make one more episode to show you the beauty of this rocky beach, Knappelskär, here in Nynäshamn. So you see, right now I'm all alone in this beauty of nature, and I just love rocky beaches like this out on the Baltic Sea. It's magnificent indeed. Look at that. So earlier today I visited the cave, the sea cave that you have seen already, but I wanted to make one more episode from this part of the beach as well and have another swim today. Right now we have 24 degrees Celsius currently, so very warm. The sun is amazing, and we have 15 degrees Celsius in the sea only, so quite chilly as such, but still very nice to take a swim, especially for experienced swimmers like me, because I'm basically swimming in frozen lakes at 0 degrees Celsius. So yes, beach day number 91 on my Sweden Beach Adventures, and I'm so happy to come to this place, this magical place once again, as I was here last year and also the year before as well. So I always come back to this place at least once a year and explore the sea cave that is in that direction indeed. So yes, another beach adventure, another swim in the sea. It's amazing how Sweden is so beautiful, especially the Stockholm region on the archipelago, Stockholm archipelago, because this is here the open sea with the thousands and thousands of islands. So Sweden is the country with the most islands in the world, over 220,000 I believe, and the big majority of those islands are actually in Stockholm. So everywhere you see just islands. Here in Nynäshamn, but also out on Värmdö, and then also Haninge, but even in the north part of the northern municipalities in Stockholm, including Österåker, Norrtälje, and similar. So I'm so happy right now that I'm in my natural habitat, as I call the sea, and getting ready for another swim here in the sea. It's so magical indeed. 14 degrees, as I mentioned, 15 degrees, sorry. Okay, no, sorry, 14 it was indeed. That's why it is so cold. Cold, but still wonderful and magical. And 24 degrees Celsius in the air, so quite convenient and nice indeed. So almost 10 degrees difference between the air and the sea, but it's still super magical and fantastic. So here we don't have any sand. This is rocky parts over here to 99%, with some seaweed as well in the bottom. So that's what it is actually. And yes, this is in Nynäshamn, one of the many beautiful beaches here in this municipality, and it's quite the ride to get here from the central of Stockholm. It takes around 1 hour with the commuter train, and is the same price ticket as you will travel in the center part of the city. So it's not something extra that you pay, which is good for those that want to explore the furthermore beaches in the Stockholm region. So let's then dive and enjoy this beautiful sea. Let's go! Oh my god, it's amazing. I'm also seeing now a bit underwater, and it's super clear and super clean, the water in the Baltic Sea. and it's absolutely amazing. Do I want to be right now somewhere in the Mediterranean? Probably not, because I don't want to be among thousands and thousands of tourists, even though it's a bit warmer, the sea over there. For me, this is peace. This is this nature, beauty of nature, and this, I don't know how to explain, but I just feel it's so peaceful and so natural indeed. It feels like home. It feels like I was living in the sea. So yeah, let's dive in once again and get some more swimming. Beautiful, beautiful indeed. I love it. I love it. Cool. That's super magical indeed. So that's a wrap then from Knappelskär's rocky beach here in Nynäshamn, as you can see. And the sea cave is just 50 meters in that direction. You can check my other video to get a full video, long video of that cave, which is amazing indeed. Thank you so much for watching this video on my beach adventure here on this 12th of July, beach number 91 on my Sweden beach adventures this year. And yeah, make sure to subscribe to follow more beach adventures on my channel that it's called Beach Adventures with Chris.